It's Sunday. You are bored, no plans. Suddenly an idea hits you, a mini adventure. Why not? Life is short, you deserve a break. Let's do this. You call your best friend. Hey, wanna go on a trip? We leave tomorrow. Silence. Then, you're crazy! I'm in! That's the spirit. Where to go? The world is your oyster. Beach, city, mountains, decisions. You both agree on a sunny beach getaway. Perfect. Time to break the news to your family. They think you're nuts. But you know, deep down they're a little jealous. First things first, flights. Fingers fly across the keyboard. One-way tickets booked. Check. Next, accommodation. A cute beach bungalow? Done. Now for the fun part, activities. Snorkeling, surfing lessons, sunbathing? Yes, and yes. You quickly jot down a rough itinerary. Must make the most of every minute. Before you know it, it's dinner time. You grab a quick bite and share stories of past travel adventures. The excitement is building. Beep, beep, beep! The alarm screams. It's departure day. Adrenaline pumps as you grab your suitcase. What to pack for a week in paradise? Swimsuits? Check. Sunscreen? Double check. You throw in some shorts, t-shirts, and your trusty flip-flops. Don't forget your camera. You want to capture every moment of this crazy adventure. Zipping up the suitcase is like a game of Tetris, but somehow you manage it. You're ready to go. The taxi drops you off at the airport. Heart racing, you check in and head for the departure gate. The anticipation is killing you. Finally, you board the plane. Hours later, you land in paradise. The air is warm and smells of salty sea breezes. This is the life. You spend your days swimming in crystal clear water, building sandcastles, and sipping cocktails as the sun sets. Pure bliss. This trip was the definition of spontaneous fun. It proves that sometimes the best adventures are the unplanned ones. So go on, book that last-minute trip. You won't regret it.